Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a mobile app development service with Appy detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Appy website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Once you have logged in, select Create New App from your dashboard. Choose a category that best fits your app's purpose. Pick a template that aligns with your vision for the app. Customize your app's name and add a description. Explore the various features available and select the ones you want to include in your app. Drag and drop features to arrange them in your preferred order. Utilize the design settings to change colors, fonts, and layout styles. Preview your app using the preview feature to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Next button. Select the platforms where you want your app to be published, such as iOS and Android. Review your app settings and ensure all information is correct. Click on the Publish button to start the deployment process. Follow the prompts to fulfill any additional requirements for publication. After submission, wait for a confirmation email regarding your app's status. Monitor the dashboard for updates on your app's review and publication. Once published, share your app link with your audience to start gaining users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.